A former RTHK producer has been cleared of wrongdoing 2 years after she was convicted of making a false declaration when conducting a vehicle license search. The Court of Final Appeal ruled that Bao Choy may have genuinely believed her work was permitted by the authorities. Jenna Slow reports.
For years, journalists in Hong Kong had conducted investigations by trawling public databases, including land, company, and vehicle records. That all changed in 2020 when Bao Choy was arrested and accused of making a false declaration in conducting a transport database search. The freelance journalist, who was producing a documentary for RTHK, was trying to identify perpetrators of a violent mob attack in Yuen Long back in July 2019. She denied the charge, but was convicted by a lower court and fined $6,000. The ruling was upheld after an initial appeal last year, prompting her to take the case to the city's top court. A 5-judge panel led by Chief Justice Andrew Cheung unanimously quashed her conviction today.
Happy. I could not think of another word that can describe my mood right now. And I kind of think that this kind of happiness belongs to everyone in the society, not just me individually.
The Court of Final Appeal heard that when Choy conducted the vehicle license plate search, she declared it was for the purpose of other traffic and transport-related matters. Cheung ruled there was no reason to exclude investigative journalism from the category, as both freedom of speech and the press are protected by the Constitution. He also rejected the prosecutor's claim that the phrase was clear and unambiguous. With about 1 in 8 searches in 2010 made by media or news agencies, Choy might have genuinely believed that the category included reporting purposes. The statement, therefore, must be understood to be a wide catch-all option for applicants, and Choy was acquitted.
Bao Choy's case has garnered widespread attention since her arrest in November 2020, partly because the act in question had been permitted by authorities for so many years and became a pivotal tool for investigative journalists.
The Journalists Association welcomed the judgment and urged authorities to protect press freedom and the public's right to information. In response, Chief Secretary Eric Chan said the government fully respects the court's decision, adding relevant departments would study the ruling. Jenna Slow, HKIBC.